Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Anne. We are in Runaway Bay and we are giving you a tour of the largest hotel in Jamaica. This is the Bahia Principal Grand. Now this is a Spanish hotel or it's operated by a Spanish company. And it has 1,350 rooms. And this is the largest hotel in Jamaica. Now they're building a hotel in Hanover, Princess Resorts, that's going to be 2,000 rooms. But they have only opened 1,000 rooms. They have only built 1,000 rooms. So this hotel is still the largest. Now, the hotel industry in Jamaica is booming. I mean, if they were to build 50,000 hotel rooms tomorrow, they would be filled. Everybody wants to travel to Jamaica. Now, the Grupo Pinero, they operate the Bahia brand of hotels. And they have 4 hotel brands under the group. You have the Bahia Principal Luxury, which offers exclusive services and premium amenities for guests seeking a high-end experience. You have the Bahia Principal Fantasia, which features themed hotels designed for families, providing magical experiences inspired by fairy tales and legends. And then you have the Bahia Principal Grand, which is the one we're looking at now, represents the essence of the Caribbean, offering quality services and a vibrant atmosphere in spacious resorts. And then you have the Bahia Principal Sunlight, which comprises hotels located in Spain, characterized by their scenic views and Spanish cultural influences, providing a slice of paradise in Europe. Alright, so the largest hotel in Jamaica is the Bahia Principal Grand. Now, the hotel does so well in Jamaica that they are planning to build 2 more hotels in Jamaica. So remember now they operate 4 brands. We have the Grand in Jamaica already, 1,350 rooms. So the other 2 hotels probably will be one of the other 3. And they plan to build it at the same location or on the same property as the one we just passed. So it's going to be built in Runaway Bay on the same property, which is very common. Because like in Montego Bay, where they're building the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, they're actually building 3 hotels there. Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, the Unico Group, and Ritz-Carlton. So it's very common for hotel companies or hotel companies that operate different brands to have those brands on the same property. And so one hotel could be for villas, another one for family, another one adults owned, just as an example. And they all 3 are on the same property. So it's very common. But it also shows the level of interest in Jamaica for them to have this massive hotel and then wanting to build 2 more hotels in Jamaica. And it's billions of US dollars or billions of dollars to build those 2 hotels. We'll keep you guys updated on those projects in future videos. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.